Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and we're back in Brunkild, Manitoba. That's right, we're only 16 minutes away in this sleepy community, 16 minutes from the perimeter. Fantastic location. This is a cute little community, paved roads, well-maintained area, lots of sidewalks, probably the most sidewalks I've ever seen in a small town. And right behind me here, we've got over 1,500 square feet. We've got a modular home built in 2005. So you got 3 bedrooms, large master bedroom with an ensuite and a walk-in closet. We've got a large living room. We've got a family room. We've got a dining area, great kitchen. So many great things going on here on this large yard right in town. Let's go check it out. You know, one of the things I love about Brunkild is you've got municipal sewer, you've got municipal water, so it's a low pressure system here for the sewer. They come and pump you out once a year, but you've got a low flow system. You've got municipal water, so you don't have to deal with wells and salt and pressure tanks and all that jazz. And look at this yard. You got a nice big garden here, lots of space. You're not close to anybody. Well, I guess that'll conclude your tour here in Brunkild, Manitoba. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. I don't know if this says 1922, but this is the original access for the old grocery store that used to be here, which is insane. Like, this was an entirely different community at one point. I met an old person that was telling me that they actually came and watched them tear down the old general store that used to be here. And then this came in '05.